Well, what time is it? 10 o'clock? 10:12.
Holy shit.
22 hours we have into it total to get the motor and trans out and gut some of the rest of it too.
Yeah. You just can't do it like that.
I know, but you gotta try.
And I ain't gonna try. It's David's noise.
It's David's noise.
We're gonna take the transmission off and probably get that motor about finished up. Need the front end basically of that motor. Put it on there.
I don't know.
It felt strong. So.
It's definitely an older unit.
What?
Clutch.
Why? Because of the rust.
I
don't mean anything.
Back to stabbing the distributor in.
Oh, the blue mark, #1 cylinder. You basically want it slightly to the left because when you're installing it,
it's gonna kick it out.
Yeah, you gotta turn it to the right to have it drop in. So let's just try. Right now I got the blue sensor like here, but in the end I want it over here. All right, this might be it. That's fucking perfect. See it? It's literally right here in the middle. That shit is perfect. That's pretty huge.
This is the old 5.0 that came out of the old purple gray bastard over there. And right now he wants to pop a valve cover off and he says, I'm willing to bet it has head work done.
Something.
I'm willing to bet that it's stock and just had an MSB box in it.
I don't know, my boy.
We finna find out.
It's not built.
Why you say that? Because the rusty valve cover and the rusty heads and...
That don't matter. This is not a stock pack.
Yeah, I'm just saying if somebody builds the heads though, they usually either put aftermarket heads or aftermarket oil sump or something. Cody, Art's son, just texted me and said, I'm laughing my ass off at the rot rod. Sometimes the shit boxes are the most fun. That motherfucker still does a nice roller though.
That motherfucker was ignorant for a stock motor. Holy shit. I mean, look at the gasket. The perfect bead of RTV, like machine placed. Or it might be a solid gasket, I don't know. It don't look like it. Nah, bro, that is something like an O-ring. Here, put this back.
That's wild.
It's cool.
Here we are. I don't even know what the fuck they're doing. Getting the valve cover off with a flathead screwdriver and a jack handle.
Yup.
Fuck yeah, boys. We're on this 5.0 right, baby.
Double roller timing chain or what?
We're gonna tear it apart so that I can send it out to the machine shop with the forged internals I got from 67. And there's the 5.9 that we just got home with yesterday. Got it in the garage, got a spot cleared out for it. Cameron wants me to get the VINs and shit off of it, and I'm gonna do that before we go in tonight. Sean's hit head bolts right now. Timing cover just came off of it. We're looking at the setup.
No. Nuh-uh.
Cylinder head removal. Oh, we got some nice pistons in here. They're dark as fuck, but I mean they look like they're black. Literally.
I fucking knew it.
What?
It has headwork.
What's that telling you there?
Well, it looks like new intake valves. I don't think OEM pistons came with valve
Relief.
notches, whatever.
Yeah, it's a valve relief pistons.
I don't think they came with that.
I think you should kind of have to look that one up. I think they might have.
A few minutes later.
What's the verdict?
I don't know. Can't find it. Couldn't tell you. I don't.
You guys let me know. Did the SN95 GTs come with valve relief pistons in it? Or is this something aftermarket? Let me know in the comments. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel too to see more of what we're going to do with this, because I don't even care what's in it. It's not what's going to be in it. We're done. Flipped her upside down. Opened a can of whoop ass on her. It's like, we pulled the oil pan off, as you can see. And we see pretty nice internals. They don't look bad at all. Gasket looks basically new. Yes, sir. Sump looks clean. Pistons look good.
Pan looks fine. Nothing scary. No rust or nothing even.
The cam looked fine. Pan looks fine.
I'm gonna drop this shit. Isn't this supposed to like slide right out? And there's piston rings too. What are we gonna do about that? Are they just gonna fling or something?
Mm-hmm. Oh my god. Whistling Diesel? What do you got on that? Like, nah, he's got Ferraris and shit. We're messing with 90s shit boxes still.
Yeah, that's like Jane.
Mm-hmm. So is this one right here, I think. Oh, I see the problem. This one's arm won't be able to come out of the cylinder.
What the fuck?
It's yammed.
How?
Oh, I know why this one's not going back in. I can feel it.
The ring?
Yep.
You see if this fits the crank. Does it fit?
Yeah.
Really? It ain't gonna spin it? Or is it jammed? What do you think?
Like let's try to do this by hand and see if there's actual like resistance or if it's just the John being weak.
Yeah.
I moved it by hand. Drill's just weak.
It was
dying.
tight.
Ow.
Sorry. Oh, you're saying out for the piston.
No, ow for my ankle.
Bitch made ass ankle. Spin it.
It's yammed this time.
Come on, hit it.
I'm telling you, it was easy. It's because of this.
Yeah. Good enough. Here.
Yes, sir. This is how we do internals, baby.
I'm getting real tired of this. Well, that one's cracked.
No, it's fine. They'll take a smack like that any day.
Alright. Ooh. What the fuck? This is gonna be on the crank. Is this a joke? Get a hammer. God. It's literally right there. Would you just get out? I hate this. Look, it's idling. I'm getting the drill. We're gonna spin that bitch at whatever RPM the drill can. We're gonna set a timer for 1 minute and count the revolutions. Okay? Okay? I think you're semi-slow, honestly. Shall we spin it? Will it actually work?
Good.
Idling.